So it's a new day. I decided not to upload the material from yesterday. We had pouring rain all day and it was quite miserable. I did not get basically anything done apart from tiny bits of plasterboarding. I was mainly helping the plumber to sort out issues. I had to go to Parma. It was just not a nice day. Today is going to be a better one, so I'm heading to the gym and then back to work. I am going to install the new oven. I tried to do this yesterday, but we couldn't get it to fit because we had the old plate heater, which we have never used, and the dimensions of the new oven is a bit bigger, so we decided to remove the plate heater and keep the drawer underneath instead. So I'm gonna start the day with installing this and then work inside the bathroom. So I really wanted to be able to fit the drawer on top of the oven, but it's not going to work because the induction is gonna sit basically where this back piece is going, right about here. So unfortunately it's not going to work. It would have been great to have a drawer up there, but it's not going to happen. So I'm gonna move it back down, which you've already seen a couple of times now. So let's not cue any time lapses of that. Let's just do it. Okay, so that's done. What I'm gonna do now is just plug it in and let it heat up for one cycle to just burn off any smell of rubber, etc., and then it will be good to go for the future. And during that happens, I am going to work on the bathroom. Lots of work to do there. I might start with the door frame, etc., so that I can plaster this bit and then continue from there. Let's explain for those who does not live and build in Italy how it is to build and live in Italy. Basically, this is how they do plumbing in Italy. They want to do the fittings inside the wall, so if there is a leakage, no one can notice. If you want to do this in Sweden, you have to build a box inside the wall or attach a box inside the wall which is waterproof. Here they do it like this. They then want to seal this off outside here and then put some sort of damp proofing, I don't know. Apart from that, they also use 12th century door hinges, which are non-adjustable, on a door frame without any holes for attachment or any cover pieces once you've drilled the holes. So yeah, life is great building here. Okay, so I'm back. I went to my local hardware store or supply store, and apparently this type of door are fixed with foam spray, which I've never heard of before, but I'm willing to try. So the plan now is to mount this and attach it with foam spray then. I don't know if it's just me being negative, but one thing I noticed in Italy is that if they have two ideas, they always choose the worst one. Yeah, trying to fit one of these with foam, where I can't even have one fixing point to hold it in place, is quite frankly a ridiculous idea. I'm gonna make some sort of attachment so that I can force the frame basically where I want it before I fix it. But yeah, I see why they do this, because you basically need 3 people to do this, which is great for unemployment in this country. So yeah, here's me trying to deal with it. Right, Tony? Okay, so I have this side on pretty decent now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do small bits of foam just to get it kind of where I want, and then if I need to do any adjustments, I can just cut that off and redo it later. But I'm going to start with just small dots of foam here and take it from there. I'm not 100% convinced about the foam. At least I can do the top bit with screws from above. Anyway, I'm gonna leave that for half an hour. What I'll do is I'm gonna start with the edge bands. I couldn't get hold of the cardboard ones here in Italy, so I'm gonna use the metal ones everywhere, which is a bit of an overkill. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I will, I guess I'm gonna start. This is clearly not something for me. Not a fan of plastering. I just did it to see how it went, and it's decent. But I'm gonna take in someone who knows how to do it properly and do it for me instead. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check on the door and see how this goes. Can anyone who mounts door with foam tell me the advantages of using foam instead of screwing it into the wall? I can't see any advantages other than maybe insulation, and with screws you can insulate afterwards, so I really don't know. So this is turning out to be another nightmare, kind of like all day of yesterday, so I am going to end it. I'll see you guys tomorrow, or maybe not. Ciao!